Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm going to be unboxing the Fire HD10 tablet.
Today I'm doing another what is in my bag.
Today I'm making a little random day vlog.
My name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the little something that I bought from CEX. If you don't know, CEX is a technology shop in the UK where you can buy all sorts of technology, such as phones, tablets, iPads, whatever you want. And yeah, I bought a little something as well, so I'm going to unbox it today and you'll find out later on in the video what I have bought when I unbox it. So yeah, before we do get started, I would really love if you subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, let's get started. So here is the box of the item that I bought. On the other side it does have my address on it, so I won't be turning the box around, but here's the box. So yeah, before we do get started with the unboxing, I want to tell you a little something about CEX. So you can buy used and like very good condition items, or even mint condition items with a box and everything, original accessories. CEX has certain grades of items that they have. So they have grade A, which is mint condition with the box and all major accessories that come with the original item. Grade B is working condition, so a very good working condition with the accessories but no box. And grade C is working but it has not very good condition, the item is not in very good condition. And grade F and also grade C, there's no box with the item either. And grade F is completely not working, so it could be broken, smashed, cracked, or whatever, like speakers not working, mics not working, cameras not working, anything like that, completely not working, and with no accessories and no box. So yeah, you can use the grade F probably for spare parts or something. And yeah, they're all the grades. So now that I explained that, I hope you understood what I said. Yeah, let's start with the unboxing now, finally.
So as I said before, here is the box, and my address is on the other side, so I won't be showing that. And now I'm going to quickly open up the box, obviously. So here is the little dispatch note. It's not an invoice, it's just a dispatch note of the item that I obviously bought and the price and everything. So the item that I bought is the Huawei MediaPad 7 Youth 2 Wi-Fi 8GB tablet. It was £28 for grade B. So that's very good for grade B and a very nice tablet as well. And yeah, so let's open up the tablet now. So this is what the packaging looks like, how they pack it. So over here I suppose it would be the charge wire and the plug, so let's open that. Really nicely taped up. Here is the cable, the micro USB cable. And then we have the plug, 3-pin plug. So that's the charger. And now here is the main item. I'm going to put the box to the side. Again, it's taped up very nicely. Again, taped up very nicely.
So I finally opened up the item. As you can see right there, it says Huawei MediaPad 7 Youth 2 Wi-Fi tablet. It's 8GB and it's in grade B. So there it is. That's what it looks like. It's a very pretty tablet. Just remove the sticker. There's the Huawei logo, and as you can see, it is a grade B item, and there are quite a few very minor scratches, but nothing too crazy, so it's still usable. And I know most of us would put cases on our tablets anyway, so that doesn't really bother me. And if you look at the ports and buttons, you have the power button and the volume rocker. Then you have the micro SD card slot right there. On the bottom you have the charger wire slot and the microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And here you have the camera and a little speaker. On this side you have nothing, and on top you have nothing either. So that is the tablet. Still very nice condition. The minor scratches don't really bother me. As I said before, you have cases for the tablet, so it's perfectly fine. And as you can see, the screen, it just needs a little wipe down. So let me just quickly wipe it down. So that's a quick wipe down. It still needs a bit of better wipe down. They don't really clean the products before they send it to you, so yeah. But anyway, let's turn on the tablet now. So it's turning on now, and I'll be back. So it's turned on now. Now let's quickly set it up. So it says choose your language, English. No, not choose your language, sorry. It says choose your country, English, United Kingdom, language and country. Select Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to click. Okay, so it's finally done the Wi-Fi. Now it says got a Google account. Yes. I'm just going to sign into my Google account really quick. So it just says the Google services. Let's click next. Date and time. Yep. London. Yep. Setup is complete. It tells you what you can do, how to navigate the tablet. Start, agree. So yeah, it's all set up now, as you can see. It's a very nice tablet, and the thing about these tablets, Huawei in general, they have a very good battery life and all their products, whether it's phone or tablets. So I really like Huawei, except now that Huawei are getting rid of Google services, or they have gotten rid of Google services. But because this is a very old tablet, it still has Google Play services on there. But yeah, I really like. So that was the end of my little unboxing / setup of the Huawei tablet. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe.